everyone, today we will do Progressive Magazine Dictation exercise number 3. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Government has approved the path-breaking crop insurance scheme, namely Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. For effective implementation of this scheme, I have provided a sum of rupees 5,000 crore in the budget. We have to ensure that the benefit of minimum support price reaches farmers in all parts of the country. 3 specific initiatives will be taken up in this year for this. First, the remaining states will be encouraged to take up decentralized procurement. Second, an online procurement system will be undertaken through the Food Corporation of India. This will usher in transparency and convenience to the farmers through prior registration and monitoring of actual procurement. Third, effective arrangements have been made for pulses procurement. Farmers also take up other allied activities to supplement their family income. To make dairying more remunerative to the farmers, 4 new projects will be taken up. First, the Pasudhan Sanjeevani, an animal wellness program and provision of animal health cards. Second, an advanced breeding technology. Third, creation of e-Pasudhan Hut and e-market portal for connecting breeders and farmers. And fourth, a national breeding center for indigenous breeds. This project will be implemented at a cost of rupees 850 crore over the next few years. After agriculture, I now turn to the other segments of the rural economy. A sum of rupees 3 lakh crore will be given as a grant in aid to Gram Panchayats and municipalities as per the recommendations of the 14th Finance Commission. This is a quantum jump of 228% compared to the previous 5-year period. The funds now allocated translate to an average assistance of over rupees 80 lakh per Gram Panchayat and over rupees 21 crore per urban local body. These enhanced allocations are capable of transforming villages and small towns. Ministry of Panchayati Raj will work with the states and evolve guidelines to actualize this. There is an urgent need to focus on areas of drought and rural distress. Every block in these distress area will be taken up as an intensive block under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya mission. Formation of self-help groups will be speeded up to promote multiple livelihood. Cluster facilitation teams will be set up under Manrega to ensure water conservation and natural resource management. These districts would also be taken up on priority under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. A sum of rupees 38,500 crore has been allocated for Manrega. 300 urban clusters will be developed under the Syama Prasad Mukherjee Urban Mission launched by the Honorable Prime Minister recently. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.